So the first step is to take whatever piece we're working with, this piece of scrap that I have, and get very precise outer measurements. So this is 4¼ inches by 4 inches. So we're going to take those measurements and put them into the design program. Okay, so the first thing that we do is we take the measurements of our piece that we took earlier and open up this template and make a box the appropriate size. So that is our bounding box of the outer edges of our piece. So what we do then is we import other graphics, or we draw whatever we want into the file. So let me just open up one of those real quick. So we'll just take this Maltese cross here from the fire department logo, paste it in there, size it down, kind of center it, and then we're basically done there. So we turn off this path because we don't want that to engrave, and that just leaves us with the design. So we save this, and I have to save it down because my Windows version is older. And that's it for the design. Okay, so now we're over here on the Windows side, and we open up our file that we just made. There it is. And it really is as simple as print. Just set up the right settings that you want. Turn off that, and that should be good. Print, print, and that's it. Okay, back to the laser. We've taken our design, sent it as a print job. It's right there. So we take our workpiece, move it up so that it's where it is in the design program. Close the lid, and it is as simple as pressing go. And there it is, all finished. Now, a square thing like this is kind of cool, but what if we want to make a cutout of this? We can do that too. I'll show you how to do that now. Alright, so to create a cut line for this, we're going to go ahead and open the file back up. And what we're going to do is create a very thin line that goes all the way around along the contours of the design that the laser will know to cut there instead of engrave. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, so that is my cut path, and you can see in the original design it just goes perfectly along the outside. Here, I'll change it to a different color. So the green lines there are where it's going to cut. So again, we save this and move over to Windows. Alright, so back over here on Windows, we open up the file. There it is. And we'll turn off this layer so that all we have is the outline. Go Print, choose our settings. And what we're going to do here is choose Vector, and that means it's going to cut. And there's a combined option where I can do both in the same job without having to go back and do it over again. But for now, this will do fine. So that's all the settings that we need to do there. I changed my speed and power so that it is appropriate for the material. And then we click OK, print, and print. And then we head back to the laser. Okay, back at the laser, you can see it's the same name but new job number. It was job 4 before. And there's our piece back there, so I'm just going to flip on the air pump. Press go. There you have it. Pretty cool.